Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we will continue with our real numbers problem. Real number, which is the second chapter of your mathematics part 1. So we have discussed in our previous video about the surds. So today we are going to operate, that is do some operations like subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. on surds. So before going to start such operations, we have to identify how to evaluate whether the given surds are equal surds or non-equal surds. Okay. So in your textbook there are few problems are given that we have to identify whether the surds, the pair of surds which are equal or not. So first question we have 6 root 2. First we have 6 root 2 and we have 5 root 5. 5 root 5. This is the pair of surd and we had to calculate or we had to evaluate which surd is greater or both surds are equal. Okay. So see, this is outside of the root. So we had to take this 6 inside and here this 5 inside. So solution. So we have 6 root 2. We don't know whether they are equal or not. That means we are taking question mark. What will come here? And we have 5 root 5. Okay. So now we are taking this 6 inside. अब ये अंदर जाएगा तो वो स्क्वायर हो जाएगा उस पर. So क्या हो जाएगा? 2 ऑलरेडी है इनटू अभी अंदर जा रहा है तो ये स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में जाएगा. ओके. अब हमको पता नहीं है कि which surd is greater or smaller. That's why we are marking question mark. And here again 5 को हम अंदर लेके जाएंगे तो हो जाएगा 5 ऑलरेडी है. अब ये जब अंदर जाएगा तो 5 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ओके. Now 2 into the square of 6 is 36. Here again we don't know what will come. That's why we are marking question mark. Here 5 into square of 5 is 25. Now we have to multiply now. 36 2s are 72. And here 5 into 25 is 125. See, now we can check or we can tell this surd is greater than this surd because here we have 125 and we have only 72. That means this is greater than this. Therefore, we have to put the sign of this. This is greater than. So, root 125 is greater than root 72. Therefore, we can write is as 6 root 2. 6 root 2 is less than 5 root 5. Okay, this is the answer. This way you have to evaluate which surds are equal or not. Okay. Now next question. Second pair is given as add 8 root 3 and root 192. So these are the pair of surds that we had to evaluate which surd is greater or equal. Solution. So we have 8 root 3 and we don't know whether surds are equal or not. That's why we are marking question mark and here we have 192. So again we are taking this 8 inside. So will become 3 into square of 8. Again here question mark. Then we have root 192. So root, the square of 8 is 64 into we have 3. Again question mark and we have root 192. Now we are multiplying this 3 to 64. 4 3s are 12. 12 का 2 कैरी करेगा 1, 6 3s are 18 and 1 19, and we have root, so 192, and here again we have 192, so both are equal, that means we have to put sign equal. Therefore we can write 8 root 3 is equals to root 192. So this is the way we have to simplify, or we have to solve this surds, and we have to evaluate whether given surds are equal or not. So we have one more surds that we have to evaluate whether equal or not. So I hope आपने लिख लिया होगा, अगर नहीं लिखा तो लिख लीजिए. Now the last problem of solved examples. Example number 3. It says 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. 5 root 3. We have to check whether these surds are equal or not. So solution. So we have 7 root 2 and question mark 5 root 3. So 7 will become square, into we have 2 and inside the root. Again question mark root 5 in 3 into square of 5. So inside root 2 into square of 7 is 49. Again question mark. Then 3 into square of 5 is 25. So root 49 into 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 का 8 कैरी करेगा 1. 4 2s are 8 और 1 9. So it is root 98. Here 25 3s are 75. See, this 98 inside the root is greater than root 75. That's why we have to put this sign. Okay. Therefore, this is from this 7 root 2. So we can write 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Okay. So this is the answer. So this is the way you have to evaluate whether the given surds are equal or not. Okay. So write down the solution.
ये डीपी सर को शब्दिका से अगर कुछ नहीं है क्या?
वही थे ना?
कुछ बात वैसे तो नहीं है ना? रोज से आया क्या? बाबू को पकड़ते हैं क्यों?
So now we will solve the next solved problem, and which are based on the simplification of surds. So we have, in this part we will understand operations between two or more than two different surds. Okay, operation that means addition and multiplication, or subtraction and division. So first question we have simplify. The first question, simplify simplify 7 root 3 plus 29 root 3. Okay, so these are the two surds and we have to operate addition. So solution now. We have 7 root 3 plus 29 root 3. See, in both the surds we have root 3 is common. So we can take root 3 common. So we have taken root 3 common from both. What will remain here? Will remain 7 plus 29. So we can write this root 3 outside the this side. So we have written root 3 here and 7 plus 29. 9 plus 7 is 17. 16. 16 का 6 कैरी करेगा 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 36. So 36 root 3 will be the simplification or addition of both the surds. Okay, so this is the answer, 36 root 3. Now next we have simplify 7 root 3. So same problem we have, but we have sign negative. We have 7 root 3 minus 29 root 3. So we have to simplify these surds also. So we have 7 root 3 minus 29 root 3. Again we have root 3 common. So we have to take root 3 common. So what will remain inside? 7 minus 29. So again root 3 we have to write another side, that is root 3. First we have to write this part. So 29 minus 2 is minus 22. So minus 22 root 3 will be the answer. Okay. Now we have one more example. Example number 3. This is the second problem. Now we are operating third problem. Third problem says 13 root 8 plus 1 by 2 of root 8 plus we have, it is minus 5 root 8. Okay, we have to see, we have 3 surds here and we have positive and negative. That means we have to add as well as subtract. Okay, so solution. We have 13 root 8 plus 1 by 2 of root 8 minus 5 of root 8. Again we have root 8 is common. So we have to take root 8 common. So root 8 we have taken common. So what will remain inside? 13 plus 1 by 2 minus 5. So 13 and minus 5 is root 8 into 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 plus half. So 8 plus half is, we have to calculate here. 8 plus half. Half plus 8. In division we have nothing but 1. So 1 is 1 plus 2 8 are 16. Divided by 2 1 is 2. So 17 divided by 2 will be solution for this part. So we can write 17 divided by 2 of root 8 and this will be the answer. So 17 divided by 2 will be the answer. Okay. So this is the way you have to simplify the given surds. Okay. So now we will have some we will have now some homework for you. So we have already solved question number 1 and 2 in previous video for your homework. So today we will have question number 3 and question number 4 will be the homework for you. Okay. अगर आपने सॉल्व किए हैं, अगर जो सॉल्व नहीं हुए सो यू कैन कॉल मी. सो वी विल सॉल्व दोज प्रॉब्लम जो आपसे सॉल्व नहीं हुए हैं. ओके. सो यू कैन कॉल मी बिटवीन 4 to 6 PM in the evening. Okay, so this is for today's session. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot.